Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be creating this look with this palette right here. This is, what is this? This is Tropical Traveler from Spoiled Cosmetics. I do work with them, so I do have a code for you if you choose to get this palette. The main reason I'm using this palette today is because of this right here. This is a pressed glitter that has stars on it. So I'm going to show you how to work with that in it. So let's get started with this look. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start off this look with an eye primer. I am not using a face primer because it is hot. I am not really wanting to do a lot on my skin because it is hot, and the heat and the humidity has a tendency to melt everything. So I'm going to do an eye primer, and that is just to keep the eyeshadow in place. And this is Urban Decay, the primer potion. Okay, so for foundation, I'm going to use the Coringo Cosmetics. This is K Beauty. I got this off of Yes Style, and I do have a code for them, so if you do go and get this, you can use that. But I'm using this. This is a BB cushion. Okay, so foundation is on. We are moving on to eyebrows. We are using McQueen. This is also a K Beauty brand, but I guess it's made in New York. I'm not really sure how that works out. It says McQueen New York. That's what it says. But it's still considered a K Beauty brand, so I don't really know how that works out. But their products are really good, and we are going to use this for the brows. Okay, so now that the brows are done, we're going straight into eyes. I am going to use Spoiled Cosmetics right here. This is the Tropical Traveler palette. We are going to focus on just these colors right here. You guys seem to like the really simple looks that aren't overly complicated, so that is what we're doing. I'm actually only going to work with these three shadows here, mainly these two, and then I'm going to do a light dust of that. And this is a pressed glitter with stars. I've been asked to do something with it to show how to use it, so I am going to do that today. So the first color we're going to start off with is this one right here, and I'm going to just do the inner half of the eye and kind of brush it out. And I'm going to do that in the bottom and the top, not just one. Okay, so now I am going to go in with this color right here. That's going to be the other half of the lid and the lower part as well. Okay, so now we're going to take this yellow color right here and go in the very inner of the corner and then kind of blend it out to kind of give it a slight glisten, shiny look throughout the eye, but concentrated right here. Okay, so it didn't really go on the way I was expecting it to, so I'm going to take one of these old trusty sponge applicators and I'm going to use that to apply that in the inner corner of the eye. Okay, so I'm going to show you what this glitter looks like on my hand that's in this pan first, because I want you guys to see what kind of glitter this is. This is a very, very pretty glitter. As you can see, or maybe not see, it's got stars in it. So with a glitter like this, you can easily use it to accent maybe just the edge here, or maybe just the inner corners, or whatever you want to do. But I'm going to go straight over what I've already done and just pack it on the lid. Alright, so now we're moving on to eyeliner, and we're going to just make the eyes pop a little bit more with a contrasting color. This is Illuminati. This is a paint pen, and we're going to use this in the waterline. Okay, so now we are moving on to the top liner. We are using Seraphine Botanicals Luna Liner. So you can see that right there. What? Now we are moving on to mascara. To continue the more dramatic effect of the blue, I am going to use Bad Gal Bang from Benefit Cosmetics on my bottom lashes. And on my top lashes, I am going to use Joa Lash Up Rising. This is a black mascara and very, very full. Okay, so now I'm going to go into blush. I'm skipping concealer and bronzing and contouring and all that because, again, it's humid, it's hot, I don't want a lot on my skin. I want it to breathe a little bit in spite of having something on my face. So for blush, I'm using Wonder Beauty right here. You can't really see it, it's not picking up, but that is the color. This is Sweet Talker, and that is what we're using. We're going to put it on the cheek here, and then a little bit right here, a little bit on the nose. Now we're going to use that Wonder Beauty product again. It has a second part here. Let me show you. This is a very dewy, let me show you like that. It's very dewy and glossy, so it's just going to kind of give my skin kind of a wet, glossy, dewy look, and I'm going to do it in the highlight areas to accent it just a little bit. Okay, so again, we are not using a setting powder or setting spray because we do not want that extra weight on the skin. We are going right into a lip tint because that doesn't come off very quickly, and it's great for the summer. This is shade, I forget, Leche Coral. So it's going to stick with the coral peachy colors that I have on my eyes, and this is from Rom and ND. I think I said that right. But yeah, I got this from Yes Style as well. Okay, so I put a second coat of it just because I wanted it slightly more tinted. I'm going to use a lip oil on top of it just to give it that nice sheen look. This is Florence. I'm not sure if it's got a color or not, but anyways, this is what we're going to use as the lip oil. Alright, and that is the look completed. What do you guys think? Spoiled Cosmetics is a company I work with, so I do have a code for you if you want to use that and save yourself some money on their products. I do very much so like them, love them actually, and that is it of the video. If you like this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, leave comments below, and if you like content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video.